Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariana Rose. If you're new and if you're not new, welcome back. It's been a long time. For the first video come back, it's gonna be something new. So y'all, we got my stepmama. We is about to cook. We got candy seasoning the chicken. We finna make some Rotel spaghetti. I'm gonna go ahead and cut on the oven. Set it to 350, right? I'm gonna wash my hands real quick. Y'all, I'm sick, but I'm better than what I was feeling at first. But it's okay.
Problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you.
So what I'm about to do is put these shrimp in this bowl so we can rinse them off, and then we're gonna put them inside of the skillet. Shrimp.
Ain't a home when you're not here. The grown when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you.
So we're gonna pull this up in here. Okay. So I put crushed red peppers, and then now I'm putting some parsley flakes over in here. Then I'm gonna put a little adobo seasoning. It's just like an all-purpose seasoning, just a little because it's salty and I don't like salty, so just a little bit. I always step your mama. Here. We like Cajun food in here. We like spice. So I always slap your mama for the seasoning. Okay, this is the butter. We're gonna put this half a stick of butter. And we're gonna put it right there. Okay, y'all, so the first pan is ready. Let me give me some gloves. This bread is done, which looks very, very, very good. Chopping the cheese to make the sauce for the Rotel chicken and shrimp Rotel spaghetti. So this is just Velveeta. I'm just chopping it up. We got our shrimp. So my job is to shred the chicken.
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is
We got the noodles cooking. Noodles almost done. Then last thing I gotta do is the sauce. Then this is the sauce. Looks very, very, very good.
I got something that I could lend you. A piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f*** your soul, I release in your spiritual.
Yo. This looks so good. Let me show y'all. is really cheesy. Y'all see it? More mayonnaise, really cheesy, really good.
Then we gotta put some
We got 2 pans, y'all.
It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me?
Rotel spaghetti. And I'm gonna warm up the bread. First cooking vlog, period. Okay, so that ends this cooking vlog. Bye, y'all. Today is December the 26th. It's the day after Christmas, and I'm with my best friend. Say hey to the vlog.
Hey.
Say hey to the vlog. Okay. But we're about to clean up my room, and we're finna go get some breakfast from this place called Toasty Yolk. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. We don't even know what we finna wear, but we're gonna find out in a minute. So I'm gonna be back when the room is clean and we all dressed and ready to go. So yeah, I just had to tighten up my room. Nisi is using the restroom. I'm finna grab me a coat, jacket. I don't know why my tripod be doing this, y'all, but I need to. Oh my god, this why I don't like the vlog, y'all, because it be coming with too much work. Like, oh my god, my thing is not even okay. You know what? I'm trying not to cuss because it's making me mad. But I'm just gonna grab me a little jacket because I know it's cold outside. Slip on me some shoes, and then we're gonna head out because they close at 3 and it is currently 12:35. So we're gonna go ahead and go. What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and get what? Today I'm finna go cash out on a new AMG Benz. Then tomorrow we gonna go get a Lambo, cause y'all know we just won lottery. We finna get a Lambo. Hey, how you zoom that? It's not zoomed in. I don't wanna be this close. Alright, boom. We cashing out a new Lambo tomorrow. And just for the fans, we doing a $20,000 giveaway. If this video reach 10K likes, we giving away $20,000 to the last person who liked it. So yeah, it's going down. It's going down. Y'all better be the last person that liked the video. Y'all get that money. I stamped it. No cap. We back after this commercial. Boom. So y'all, we're leaving now. We're about to go to Toasty Yolk, and we got on some pajamas because period. And we just gonna eat in pajamas and breakfast. And it's gonna open the door. So y'all, we made it to Cracker Barrel and we're playing this game. Watch this. She thinks she knows what she's doing. It's so crazy. Nah, you messed me up, Carly, doing this. So our food came out, y'all, and it looked very good. She already eating, and she don't even eat pork, but hey. It is December the 29th, and it's Friday. And right now, I'm trying on my outfit because at 7, I was invited to a dinner at this restaurant called Reservations in Cordova. It's currently 4:56. So I just got this graphic t-shirt and I got these orange pants. This iron is not on. I'm finna plug it up. And then I'm gonna wear my, what's these, threes? Okay, now that my clothes is earned, I'm gonna go ahead and put them on, and then I'm gonna do my hair, and then my brother should be on the way to get me. Okay, y'all, I finally got it. So I think I'm gonna wear silver jewelry. What you think, silver or gold jewelry? So I had to take off my necklace. I got plenty necklaces I haven't worn yet. Well, I want to wear this one. And I may put on the matching earrings to match too, because those are very cute. But it's this little universe. Y'all know where I got this from. Shein. Somehow, y'all, my step being broke, but I got on my necklace. I'm gonna put on me some bracelets. These the earrings I was talking about. I don't think I'm gonna put them in because I really don't feel like it. I don't know, he can his haircut. I don't know which it is. Okay, I think I'm gonna put on this little bracelet. So y'all, Nisi not come with me today. She's gonna go home. And I'm very sad that she's about to go. But she'll be back tomorrow because we're going to the zoo lights, right? Okay, y'all, so I got on my clothes. I'm finna do my hair. It's 5:51. We got like an hour, over an hour, but I'm not gonna be there on time. But I'm finna set my hair so it's gonna look good. And I'm gonna try to fix my edges, and then after that, we're gonna be ready.
I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you all.
So yeah, I'm doing my hair. This is my brother.
Hi.
I'm trying to take my time because
I'm gonna leave.
Where you going? This is my outfit. Very cute and very simple. Shing, shing, shing. Nike. I got on my silver jewelry and then I don't know. Okay, y'all, so my brother is on the way to get me in. I'm gonna go ahead and I forgot what I was doing. I forgot I was recording. But I'm finna to go ahead and go downstairs so I can just walk outside because it's already 7:05, y'all. So yeah.